This lovely, move-in ready home in the Calabrian hills pretty much ticks all the boxes for us. Located near the village of San Pietro in Amantea, about 10 kilometers from the coast, it has beautiful views and so much privacy while also being close to many stunning villages and desirable locations. Tropea, Scalea and Maratea are all within a couple hours drive. Along with a spacious sea view terrace, this 200 square metre 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house sits on 3,000 square metres of land with olive, fig and almond trees. Alfresco dining can be enjoyed on the veranda or in the courtyard with the custom-built barbecue oven. And on the ground floor, there is a spacious rustic cellar and storeroom. Both Reggio Calabria and Crotone airports are about 2 hours away. Naples, Salerno, Bari and Brindisi are around 3 to 4 hours. The asking price for this amazing property is just €99,000. A link to the original listing and Realtor's contact information can be found in the video notes below,